All right, so we're doing problem 2014 number 2. The first problem asks, find the area of R when it is revolved around y equals -2. So the way we do that is we go to our formula, which is V equals pi times integral from A to B big R squared minus little r squared. And your big R is the whole thing, and your little r would be your hole, which is this little gap. So obviously we know y equals 4 is going to be the straight line, so your top from y equals 2 is going to be y equals 4. But then we have to account for this little gap right here from -2. So we add 2, and it becomes 6, which is your big R. So it becomes V equals pi integral of A to B. We don't know what those numbers are yet. But we know your big R, which is going to be 6 squared minus, and then your little r is going to be the gap from here, which is going to be the f of x. And then we have to add 2 to the 4, so that would make it plus 6, so it's going to be x squared, x to the 4th, minus 2.3 x to the 3rd, plus 6. And all that is going to be squared. Now, they did not give us the intersection points on r, so we go to our calculator and we can figure that out quickly. The first intersection point is 0. And then we go to our calculator, and then our second intersection point is going to be 2.3, and x equals 2.3. 2.3. And then you can put that into your calculator, and we see what we get. Okay, so now we plugged it into our calculator, and we turned out to get 90. R, volume of R, is equal to 98.9, approximately. And that's the way you do problem A for number 2. So we write the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. Now, since they said one leg of the isosceles triangle is on R, we know that the base and the height are going to be the same thing, which is the area of top minus bottom, which is integral of A to B, which is 0 to 2.3, 4 minus x to the 4th minus 2.3 to x to the 3rd plus 6, which would be that squared times 1/2, which is area of a triangle. And we just write that out. Base and your height are the same thing, like we said, so we could just write out f of x squared. And then from here, we could just plug it into our calculator and we just see what we get. For problem C, it says to write an expression that would for x equals k, where k would split R into 2 equal sections. So the way you do that is you get R, area of R, which would be top minus bottom, 4 minus x to the 4th minus 2.3 x to the 3rd plus 4 is equal to your integral of 0 to k. Actually, you know what, right here. 2 times that of 0 to k, because it's actually 1/2, but since to even it out, you take 1/2 times the reciprocal, which would be on the outside, which is 2 of 4 minus, and then dot, dot, dot. And then from that point, you just solve for k. That's pretty much it.